fully furnished oceanfront condo available for 6-month plus 1 day or 7-month rental. First and second floor master suites. First floor laundry room. Stainless steel appliances in the brand new updated kitchen. Plenty of room for your family and guests to enjoy the beach, heated pool and launches from Cape Canaveral Air Force Station. Great location and close to shopping, restaurants, pet-friendly parks, golfing and PAFB.FIRST, last and security deposit required. This is a pet-friendly rental unit.